Hello guys, today I am going to discuss with you the topic, very important topic, trigonometry. I will explain trigonometry in two cases, case 1 and case 2. In this video I will discuss all the formulas and the rules we will use in case 1. Whenever you will see the triangle, the first thing you have to find out that this is case 1 or case 2. Case 1 mean whenever you will see right angle triangle. To save the time, already I wrote all the things, so I will just explain. Case 1, whenever, what is the meaning of case 1? Whenever you will see the triangle is right angle triangle. Okay, they will give you this angle 90 degree. This will represent that this is right angle triangle. And after finding this is case 1, you must have an idea about the sides. So suppose if this is the angle, as it's mentioned theta, so opposite of this angle, opposite of the angle, the side is called opposite, and opposite of 90 degree is called hypotenuse. Okay, and the side between angle and 90 degree, this side is called adjacent. After finding the sides, the first formula you can apply, sine. On case 1 we can apply sine. What is sine? Sine theta will be equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Second formula we can apply cos theta. Cosine cos theta will be equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. And the third formula we can apply tan theta will be equal to opposite over adjacent. How to memorize that sine is equal to which ratio, cosine equal to which ratio, and tan equal to which ratio? Let us take the first numbers. Like here, what is the first letter? O, and what is the first letter here? H. So whenever you will see O and H is given, either O is given or both are given or one of them is given. If the concern is related to opposite and hypotenuse, then you will use the sine. And if they will give you the adjacent and hypotenuse, any AH is given, then you will use ka. So ka, and the third one is twa. Twa mean we will use tan formula. Look at here, T starts from tan. Okay, tan will be equal to opposite over adjacent. So if you will memorize this formula, so ka twa, it will help you to solve the question. These three formulas, guys, please keep it in your mind. These three formulas, so ka twa, you can apply only on right angle triangle. You cannot apply these formulas on case 2. If the triangle is not right angle, that is case 2. We will discuss later on. But okay, after this one, the fourth formula we can apply on case 1 if we have to find out the area. Area of the triangle 1 over 2 times base times height. Sometimes they are giving all the sides in the exam. Like you will see in the exam, they will give you all the sides. This is right angle triangle. This is 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 6 centimeter, and they ask from the student find out the area. Some students I observe they are using this and this one. So I wrote as a note, please take care that base and height must make 90 degree with each other. It means this one you can take as base and this one you can take as height. Don't try to take this opposite of 90 degree hypotenuse. Okay, to find out the area we will not use this side, only we will take base and height. And how would we know in the exam which one is base and height? They will make with each other 90 degree. Okay, after this, the fifth formula we can use Pythagoras theorem. Already I discussed with you about the Pythagoras theorem. I already uploaded the video. If you did not concentrate on that video, please watch that video about the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, under Pythagoras theorem there are only two situations. Sometimes we have to add and sometimes we have to subtract. Look at here, this one and this one. The rest thing is the same. 5 square and 3 square. How would we know in the exam that I have to add or I have to subtract? I wrote it here. If hypotenuse is not given, hypotenuse, which side is hypotenuse? Opposite of 90 degree. Not given mean this is x. It's not given. Hypotenuse is not given, we will add. If hypotenuse is given, like here 8 centimeter is given, we will subtract. For more detail, you can watch the video. The title is Pythagoras theorem. Okay. And also some students I observed while solving the question, they are trying on this type of triangle. They are trying sine, cos or tan, and then they are wasting their time. So I wrote as a note here, whenever two sides are given in case 1, whenever two sides are given in case 1, and we have to find out the third side, then we will use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, look at the situation here. What I wrote as a note, whenever two sides are given, this side and this side, and we have to calculate the third side, then we will use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so whenever two sides are given and we have to calculate the third side, then we will use the Pythagoras theorem. If they will give you the angle or if they will ask the angle, don't use Pythagoras theorem in that case. So guys, these 5 things, the fifth thing was Pythagoras theorem, the fourth was up here, area of the triangle, and SOHCAHTOA, sine, cosine and tangent, you can use only on right angle triangle, case 1. These formulas you cannot use on case 2. So from the beginning I separated both cases. I am teaching either a GCSE O level or A level. Whenever I am explaining trigonometry, I am explaining in 2 cases, case 1 and case 2. All type of questions related to trigonometry you will be able to solve if you will understand or if you will separate 2 cases from the beginning. Okay, hopefully guys you understand. Please revise this properly. First revise all the formulas, memorize what we can use in right angle triangle in case 1. After revising all these formulas, we will solve the past paper questions. Let us solve now past paper questions related to case 1. Okay, then I will explain case 2 and we will solve the past paper questions related to case 2.